Okay. Let me zoom in on the lights real quick. Okay. I'm zooming in. Go.
Okay.
Okay, now turn this light off that's right beside me and I'll focus on the lights of the thing. No, turn the light like off so you can see it. There, you can see that they're lit up a little bit better. Okay, and now you can take them out.
Don't stop yet. I'm going to take them out. Okay.